Okay, so here's our exercise. I put it into a matrix over here. I can write that down, maybe pause the video. Here's my goal. Okay, here's my goal over here. Again, it's my goal because, maybe not purple. It's my goal because, once I get here, I'll be able to say x is whatever number this is. Y is whatever number this is. Z is whatever number this is. So that's my goal. We're going to see that that goal is not always attainable, but for now, we're going to be optimistic. Okay, so let's start working on this matrix. I'm going to start by getting these zeros here in the bottom left. I've already got one of them, so I just got to kill that -4. So I'm not going to change the top two rows this time. I'm just going to, so I just copy them out. So I'm going to do row 3 plus 4, row 1. Okay, that will create 0 here. So I get 0, then 5 minus 8 is -3. 13 minus 9. My next step will be to create this 0 here. And it's going to be a bit awkward because I have the 2 and the -3 here. So what I'm going to do instead is divide the second row by 2. Actually multiply by a half, rather. So top row and bottom row do not change, so just copy them out. It's a bit tedious. Second row, so 1/2 times row 2. 1 minus 4, 4. Now I will get my 0 there. So what's the operation? The operation is row 3 plus 3 row 2. I'm not changing the top 2 rows, so just go ahead and copy those rows out. Okay, third row is changing, so focus. 0, 0. 13 plus 12, 1. 13 minus 12, 1. My brain just stopped. So it's going to be -9 plus 3 times 4. So don't be ashamed to do little calculations like this if your brain is elsewhere. So you have 3 there. Continuing. So my next step is going to be to create zeros in these two positions. Okay, so I keep on talking about these steps, and they're all kind of vague for now. I promise to give you a step-by-step recipe for how to do this. But for now, we're just gonna do some, do it more, what's the word, organically, let's say. No recipe yet. So I'm gonna do two things at once here. I'm gonna go row 1 minus row 3. That will get my 0 here. I'm also going to do row 2 plus 4, row 3. Et voila. Okay, very important point. because I have zeros here. When I do these operations, I'm not going to be changing anything in the rectangle there. Okay, that's something we have to keep in mind.